In 1911, ornithologist Johannes Tienemann embarked on a groundbreaking study in Rossitten, East Prussia. He tagged storks with metal rings, revealing their astonishing migratory paths. Why did these birds travel thousands of miles? Tienemann discovered they flew to Africa, escaping harsh European winters. This migration mystery, dating back to Aristotle's time, was finally unraveled. The stork's journey symbolized survival and adaptation, echoing human quests for better lives. Could their instinctive navigation inspire us to trust our inner compass? Thienemann's work laid the foundation for modern bird migration studies, forever changing our understanding of avian behavior. Hit like, subscribe, and comment.